Yo, what up, guys? Got a little change coming for the work truck. Any guesses? Let's play these things one good time before we pull the change in. Alright. Played the Scars for a while now. They've been playing great. Haven't had any issues out of them. Been playing them on twice the power. Never had an issue out of them with twice the power on them. Played great and long. I had them in there for a while, so it's time for a little change. What are we gonna do? Gonna come on in there with the Sundown SD2s for a little change up. Jacob was nice enough to send some over. Let me see if I can get these get this to stay. Alright, I'm gonna pull one of these out real quick. See, I can take a gander at it. These are the shallow mounts up. Pull it out real quick so you can get a little look at it. These are rated at 500 watts RMS, like it says on that box. Alright, man, making all that noise. Anyway, they look really nice. Can't wait to get them in here and play them, see what they do and sound like. Said they're real similar to the SAs, but they're shallower, so if you have like single cab trucks and stuff like that, this might be the woofer that you're looking for. Very nice. Got your basket vents right here to cool off your coil, push terminals, stitch surround, rated at 500 RMS. And like I said, we're going to be putting twice the power on these two, or maybe a little more than twice the power. See how they hold up and give them a little run for their money. But anyway, just checking in with the little work truck update, and let's see what it looks like when we get them in. Alright, so got the Scars out. About to go in with the Sundowns. Just going to give y'all a quick little comparison between the two. As you can see, the Scars, these are the VVX 600 watt woofers here. These are the SD2 Sundown 10s. The shallow mounts, as you can see, they're a whole lot shallower. Or if you have like space limitations, these should be the ones for you, and they're not bad priced either. So if you'd like to grab some of either of these subs, I'm dealers for both companies, so just hit me up at jprice8888@yahoo.com or check the description below. What up, guys? Got these Sundown SD10s in the work truck. Got them in and see how they play.